Hey everyone! Glad you're here! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Commercient AI Chatbot and walk you through all the features available in the customer panel. As we all know, AI is transforming how we work and interact with customers. And with Commercient, we've integrated AI tools right into your dashboard to enhance your experience. So let's jump in. There are 3 important steps we need to take to configure your AI chatbot tool: setting up your OpenAI and Pinecone keys, and setting up a knowledge base. All of this is done in the Commercient customer panel. OpenAI key setup. You are going to need 2 browser tabs for this step. In the first tab, log into your customer panel. In the second tab, go to platform.openai.com. Navigate to Settings, API Keys, and create a new secret key. Copy and paste this key into the OpenAI key field in your configuration settings. Pinecone key setup. This is almost the same process as the OpenAI key. Go to app.pinecone.io. Locate and create the secret key and paste it into the Pinecone key field on the Commercient tab. Once both keys are saved, your AI tool configuration is complete. We now need to configure your knowledge base so the chatbot knows what information to look to when answering questions. Knowledge base configuration. You can create multiple knowledge bases, for example, for sales, support, etc., and assign specific data to each. Data types supported include text input, local files, YouTube links, Google Drive files, and live data from ERP CRM systems. Adding content. Add text or file-based documents for the chatbot to reference. Integrate company YouTube videos, or specify relevant Google Drives by providing authenticated access and links. Configure live data sources by defining required and optional fields in views or tables, for example, product data from Sage ERP. Here's a quick example of a live data query. Set up a view in Sage ERP with required fields, for example, item code, and optional fields, for example, price description. When queried, the chatbot pulls real-time product information such as availability, pricing, and specifications. Document-based responses. Upload documents, for example, company information and policies, product spec sheets, and FAQ documents into the knowledge base. The chatbot can then answer questions like, where is ABC Lighting headquarters located? Or what return policy does ABC Lighting offer? Additional system integration. Commercient is committed to making our chatbot simple and easy to use across many systems. Development is ongoing to integrate this tool with CRM systems like Salesforce, HubSpot, and WooCommerce. Custom fields. The system also supports pulling custom user-defined fields if they reside within the configured ERP tables. This will be discussed in a future video. That's it! Your Commercient AI chatbot is now ready to deploy internally on your website or wherever you need. Give it a try. You'll be amazed at the results. If you need help or would prefer a free one-on-one session with a Commercient AI specialist, reach out to us at www.commercient.com.